Are you tired of cluttered countertops, but love versatile kitchen gadgets? Today, we're diving into something that might just revolutionize your culinary world. The COSORI Smart 11-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Stay tuned! Hello with Cozy Nest Reviews. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of the COSORI Smart 11-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. We'll uncover its features and see if it's the right fit for your cozy kitchen. Versatile cooking. With 12 functions like air fry, bake, toast, and more, it's a real kitchen multitasker. Large capacity. Cook up to a 12-inch pizza or a 5-lb chicken, ideal for family meals. Smart features. Connect to the VSync app for guided recipes, and even control it with Amazon Alexa. Durable build. Crafted from stainless steel, it promises longevity in the kitchen. Wi-Fi requirement. Needs a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, limiting its smart use to compatible networks. Size. Its larger footprint might consume more counter space than some might prefer. Learning curve. Some features may take time to master, especially if you're new to smart appliances. Limited voltage. Only suitable for US and Canada due to the voltage requirements. Overall, the COSORI Air Fryer Oven is a feature-packed addition to any kitchen, perfect for those who love efficiency without compromising on taste. Check the link on screen and in the description for the best prices and deals. Thanks for watching Cozy Nest Reviews.